Set 6, example number 8. This is the data about the demand for the sweet and the number of customer. According to that, you have to find out the mode. Already we saw how you have to find out the mode. You have to observe the data. You have to first find out the maximum frequency. First of all, I will explain this data. These 10 customers demand the sweet of the weight in between sweet of the weight more than 0 grams and less than 150 gram. These 60 customers demand about the sweet weight is in between 250 to 500 gram, and 25 customers demand is of the sweet is 250 gram to in between 250 gram, 500 gram to 250 gram. 20 customers demand of the sweet is in between 750 grams to 1000 gram, and 15 customers demand which weight is in between 1000 gram to 1250 gram. According to that, you have to find out the mode. For that, you have to prepare the table like this: class and frequency. Here you have to write all the classes: 0 to 250, 250 to 500, 500 to 750, 750 to 1000, 1000 to 1250. Here you have to write the frequency: 10, 60, 25, 20 and 15. So for this you have to find out the maximum frequency. This 60 is the maximum frequency that you have to denote by F1, and the class of this frequency is called as the model class. So you have to first observe the maximum frequency. 60 is the maximum frequency, and this class is called as the model class. This is the lower limit of the model class. You have to find out the class height of the model class. At that time, h is equal to, you have to say that upper limit minus lower limit, 500 minus 250 is equal to 250. Means once you will get all these things, at that time what you have to do, you have to find out the frequency preceding the model class frequency. Frequency preceding the model class, previous frequency. The frequency preceding the model class is denoted by F0. So you have to say that F0 is equal to 10. And the frequency succeeding the model class frequency is 25. This you will denote by F2. Means once you will get F0, once you will get F1, once you will get F2, once you will get L, once you will get H, at that time it is very easy to find out the mode. Once again I will say that first of all you have to find out the maximum frequency. Then the maximum frequency is of the class 250 to 500, so that class is called as the model class. This 250 is the lower limit of the model class. This one is denoted by L. L is equal to 250. Then you have to find out the class height. H is equal to, class height is equal to upper limit minus lower limit of the model class is equal to 250. Then this one is called as the frequency of the model class. F1 is, that one is denoted by F1. The frequency preceding the model class is denoted by F0. This one is 10. And the frequency succeeding the model class is F2. This one is F2. This one is 25. After that you have to find out the mode. For mode, what you have to do? You have to write the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So F1, this L is 250, F1 is 60, F0 is 10. This 2 into F1 is 60, minus F0 is 10, minus F2 is 25, multiplied by H is 250. Then this 60 minus 10 is equal to 50 to 50 as it is. You have to write 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. You have to do the product of this. 6 to the 120, means this will come 60 multiplied by 2 is equal to 120. And minus 10 minus 25 is equal to minus 35 multiplied by 250. Then 120 minus 35 is equal to what you have to say, 85. 250 as it is, you have to write plus 50 upon 85 multiplied by 250. This you have to do the product of this 50 and 250. Product of the 50 and 250. Otherwise you will write the step: 250 plus 50 multiplied by 250 upon 85. the product of this 50 multiplied by 250 will come 12500 upon 85. After solving this 12500 upon 85, approximate you will get the answer 147.06. This is the approximate value. So the division of this 12500 upon 85 will come 147.06. So you have to do the sum of 250 plus 147.06. At that time this will come 397.06. Therefore you will get the mode of the demand of the sweet is 397.06 gram. In this way you have to find out the mode. So properly you have to write each and everything in the classwork notebook. Thank you.